This remarkable, traditional home is situated in the highly coveted and prestigious neighborhood of Victoria Woods. Near excellent schools, it's on a quiet cul-de-sac just minutes away from the highway and shopping. Expertly designed with year-round outdoor entertaining spaces and beautifully updated, here you'll discover an elegant private retreat. Natural light highlights the tall ceilings and white oak floors. Large windows and wainscoting frame the formal dining space. The 2017 kitchen remodel features beautiful granite countertops, a tile backsplash, and recessed lighting. Relax by one of the 2 gas fireplaces. Gather with friends and family under the 14 by 14 foot timber frame patio cover with a wood-burning fireplace. Or enjoy your favorite beverage on the stone-lined sun patio. Double doors open to the main level office with built-ins. The grand master suite is elegantly designed with a tray ceiling and spa-inspired bath with a jetted tub, dual sink vanity, and a large shower, plus a walk-in closet. This spacious home of more than 3,300 square feet offers 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a large bonus room. The mature landscaping with strategically placed lighting provides a serene setting for creating memorable moments under your timber frame gazebo. Or unwind in quiet solitude under the stars. Beautifully designed with gorgeous updates, this Victoria Woods treasure is waiting for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Directors Mortgage.